Okay, this is a follow-up to the video that we had from yesterday where we were automatically formatting data in a Google spreadsheet. So the problem here is that we may have a lot of spreadsheets we're working with. They're all essentially the same output or similar output, but we need them sorted in a certain way. So maybe our columns are out of order, or maybe we also want to rename those columns and we want to style them. And maybe we even need to perform some sort of function on these columns. So we have names that need to be normalized in this case, or I need to convert milliseconds to years. So this script will take care of that for us. So here, let's take a look at the pieces that are important to you. First, you'll need to copy this code from my GitHub, which I will have listed in the notes of this video. There are two files. The first is Sheets Manager. The main things that we're going to be using are these, and then this is the main code that we'll be running. You can have this all in the same file, code.gs. I have it split up into two separate files just so it's easier for me to read through, but you can do it however you want. Just make sure all the functions are in here somewhere, right? And then these IDs are important. So this ID here, SS key, that is going to be the ID of your spreadsheet where your keys are housed. So that is right here, okay? You need to make sure you grab that and drop it in here. And then this will be the ID of the spreadsheet for which you're targeting. So the data that you need translated. This is the main sheet ID, and it will run this on all of the sheets that you have in that spreadsheet. So if you have 1, it'll do it on 1. If you have 30, it will run it on all 30. And the way it works is it will read these two sheets, and then it will create a new spreadsheet, an entirely new spreadsheet, which has the same name as your target sheet, but then appended to it will be parsed and the current timestamp. And then it will run all of this work and give you the output. So let's give it a run, see how it works. So we are executing here, and we found the sheet that we are after, and we are performing that action, creating the new spreadsheet and styling the new spreadsheet. Now it looks like as well. Here's that new spreadsheet, and the first sheet is empty because of the way we created it. But then we will have here the styled and formatted spreadsheets. So pretty cool, I think, right? And we've converted the years, we've normalized the names. Yeah, perfect. So that's it. Again, this is the code that you are after. If you have any questions, be sure to drop them in the comments, or you could email me, I guess. If you like this video, you could like it. You could even subscribe to the channel, or if you really like the work I do, you could even go support me on my Patreon page, which will also be in the notes section of this video.